In this video, I'd like to go over my performance of my Charles Schwab stock portfolio brokerage account performance for the month of June 2023. Now, this account is made up of stocks, individual stocks that I've researched and picked. I opened this brokerage account in June 2022, and I've had it for about a year, and it's done fairly well. Hadn't lost money, made a little money. But this particular video is going to go over the stock account performance for June 2023. So from June 1st, 2023 through June 30th, 2023 is what we're going to look at. As you see, it's a good month. Account gained $433. Looks like a stairs kind of a thing right here. And I contributed some to the account, and the account has gained in value. So if we look here at the beginning of the month, the balance in the account was $6,200. Then I added $1,600 to the account, and the account made $430. So this leaves us with an ending value of $8,279.69. So it's a combination of adding more funds to my account and the account growing due to its positive performance. So I'm very pleased. What I'm trying to do is, one, get good at investing, understanding how the markets work, how to grow your money by or through investing. Two is I'm trying to build this particular account up to $100,000. And I've almost got $10,000 within 1 year, which I could have got $10,000, but I've been putting other funds, some of the funds that was going to go into this account, into my retirement accounts. This is a experimental account that I'm just using individual stocks for the most part to see if we can grow this to $100,000. So we're almost a tenth of the way there. So got to keep consistently contributing and making good decisions. Now let's look at the rate of return. As you see, throughout the month of June 2023, this account has returned 6.46%. And then here you see the different indexes. Mine is the blue, the light blue here. And you see the Russell 2000 is the one that outperformed me, and the NASDAQ has outperformed as well as the S&P 500. That's what the different colors represent. If we look down here, we'll see that my individual account returned 6.46%, Russell 2000 8.13% through the month of June 2023, the S&P 500 6.61%, the Dow Jones not so well, even though it's in the positive, 4.68%, and the NASDAQ, who has been red hot, it seems like this past year, especially here recently, 6.59%. So the only one I outperformed is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. All the other ones couldn't outbeat them. And that's what you hear a lot. If you watch my videos, you'll hear this. And if you follow investing, they say, a common belief is, why even try? Just invest in the NASDAQ, invest in the S&P 500, because it's so hard to outperform those. But that's why this is an experiment, and I enjoy it. I think it's fun. So I can take pride in that this has gained 6.4% this month. Over the course of the lifetime of this account, I want it to be 8 to 10% on average. So I'm almost there. I'm almost at 8%. But it'd be great, 10%, 12%. Oh my gosh, I can't imagine what that will be. But we're going to see how this goes. But we're off to a great start. I think so far so good with this investing. I weathered the storms of negative returns, negative results, and was patient, and now it's coming back up. And here recently, this account has been doing fairly well. All right, so that's a recap of the performance of my Charles Schwab stock portfolio brokerage account for the month of June 2023. We've made $430 this month through investing, and then the investments that have in my portfolio got a rate of return of 6.46%, which isn't too bad. I'll take that. Hopefully we'll keep improving. And as compared to the other indexes, the only one I could outperform this month was the Dow Jones Industrial Average. But so much fun. I enjoy it. I love making money. I love saving money, making money, and making money grow. So that's what this channel is all about. So if you like these kind of videos, I appreciate it. Hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get all the latest videos on this channel.